Good afternoon, good afternoon. Today's job is how to install a video doorbell. So in this particular one we have the LaView doorbell. So I went ahead and removed the old existing doorbell there. First I went ahead and take the power off in the breaker. So it's nothing coming there no more. I removed the old one, the ding ding, and now we're going to replace it with the video phone. So first things first. We have to install a mounting bracket. Comes with instructions, so that part is up. Because the bottom here has a little hole to jam the screw in. So we want to go ahead and do that. You see? It's a nice little project, you can do it yourself. You don't have to call anyone for this. Simple. That's 1, 2, 3 really. So, first screw in. That's the mounting bracket I'm installing there. For those of you who don't know, And screw number 2. That's where this impact gun comes in very handy. And then I also went ahead and connect the wires at the back of the terminals, 1 and 2. No matter. It's as simple as join them together, And we want to put some sort of a cap, like a B connector I have here. That way the wire is not exposed, When you do that, you might want to squeeze it a little. Don't become loose, right? Make sure it's nice and snug. Nice and tight. And repeat on the other side. And I encourage you guys to do something like this. Don't call a technician for this. It's too simple. Just make sure you take the breaker off, like I said. Remove the old one. And get yourself a pair of snipping pliers. Some little small screwdriver, like this. Phillips. Actually comes in the kit, so you don't need to buy anything. And go ahead and see who's at your front door, That's a good thing with these video door phone, right? When the Amazon guy is here, you could actually see it in your phone. You can talk to him, stuff like that. Right? Or the pizza man. The pizza man is always ringing my doorbell, so kids love pizza. Let's go ahead. Make it snug. See how best you can stick them in there, So don't interfere really and truly. I want to go ahead and say Bob is the uncle, but I'm having a little difficulty sticking the wires back in, so it's nice and fresh. Take some time, some maneuvering, but make sure you stuff them in there. Should be fine. There you go. There you go. So, and then comes with this little screw right here. Make sure you put this thing very safe. It's easy to fall, Comes with a key and everything. So this is just to keep it in place in the mounting bracket. So let's give it another try to get this little screw inside. This spot is on, And me, my failing eyes, it's not. I think we got a winner here. See? Nice and seamless. Straight enough. So let's go ahead and turn the brake on and see if we have some power. Be back in a sec. Ready for the test? Simple as that. So don't forget, take the breaker off inside, remove the old one, jam the wires together, make sure it's nice and snug. Put the back plate on, the mounting bracket, and the little screw at the bottom there, that's gonna take you forever, but eventually you can go ahead and enjoy your LaView video door phone. And the rest is very simple in the app. You can go through the instructions and download the app. And yeah, nice, no? I'm liking this. So until next time, drop a comment down below. Say, hey Rudy, took you forever to fix that video phone. I'm just a handyman, not a professional guy. Just been making this video. Everyone can do it like myself. You know? If I can do it,